Okay, yo, what's up? It's your boy, Jepoy. Back again with another video. Right, and for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing yung secret kung paano matawagan si BPI using Wi-Fi lang, no? Using Wi-Fi lang sa kanilang toll-free number. Alright, so check natin kung saan natin makikita yung number. Dito, gamitin natin yung Chrome. Ayan, so ito, naka-ready na pala. Ayan, kasi ito, yung toll free ang gagamitin natin, either itong Canada, itong may 1-800 ang kailangan tatawagan nyo. Itong may 1-800 na to is either Canada or US. Ito, US, no? Basta yung may 1-800 dyan. Yan, no? Toll free yan. So, sample, itong AT&T 1-800-225-1202, no? So, all you have to do is use si Viber or Hangouts, alam ko pwede rin eh. So, open natin si Viber. Alright, and proceed tayo sa call. Ito yung ating keypad, no? So, dial nyo lang ay 1-800. Okay, tingnan natin yung number 225-1202. Okay, 225-1202. Ito, toll free hotline number ni AT&T. Alright, ayun, AT&T. Okay, so naka-ano tayo, no? Naka Viber, no? Using only Wi-Fi. Yan na, nagre-ring siya, no? Alright, so kasi sa USA and Canada, yung toll free nila, no, anywhere in the world kayo tumawag, no, libre palagi yun. So ayan, no, ang huwag kayo madi-discourage pag ganyan, hindi kayo nakakapasok, no. So try nyo lang nang i-try. Kasi kanina nakatawag ako sa kanila eh. Mga 8 AM yun, mga bago mag 8 AM nakapasok ako, no. So di ko lang na-record, pero
phone banking. We are currently receiving a high number of calls at this time. To report a lost or stolen card, unrecognized transaction, fraud, or compromised account and online banking access, press 5. For debit, for prepaid gift cards, press 1. For insurance, press 2. For loans, press 3. For BizLink, for auto, housing, and motorcycle loans, press 1. For personal loans, press 2. To go back, please note that we may gather personal data during the course of this call. By continuing with this call, you agree to have your personal
okay,
data
so
collected and used in
napapansin nyo medyo nag-struggle yung signal ko, no? I'm only using data. Ayan, so nakapasok na ako sa queue. Eh since natawagan ko na siya kanina, kailangan putulin ko na to. Hindi ko nakakausapin dali yung agent, no? Alright, so pagpili na natin, no? I-drop ko lang yung call.
We are committed to continue serving you in these challenging times. We encourage you to bank safely at home with BPI Online and the BPI mobile app, where you can check your account balance and do your everyday banking transactions. Please follow our official Facebook and Twitter pages for regular updates and other information.
Ayun. Sagot ko na rin to dun sa comment sa isa sa mga videos ko, no, dati. Hindi ko kasi siya nasagot, no. Ito na yung sagot kasi yung dati merong promo si Viber, wherein you can get 30 minutes na free call every month, no? Apparently wala na yung promo na yon, no? So ito, sinishare ko to, no? You can call them pa din, no, for free sa kanilang toll free hotline number. Pag di kayo makapasok, try nyo lang itry, no? And ang free lang sa hotline yung toll-free number ni Canada and USA. Alright, so ilan muna guys for now. And if you have questions, again, comment lang kayo sa baba. I'll try to answer them, no? And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, no, sana naman, baka naman mag-subscribe naman kayo. I'm approaching 2K subs, no? And hopefully ma-reach ko siya before the end of this month, no? Medyo matagal lang tayo walang upload, no? Medyo naging busy lang sa work. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching and stay safe.